Hey everyone! Today we're excited to show you how to use our new Helyx Hybrid Dye. Cleansing and prepping the brow area is essential for removing dirt and debris from around the brow area to help increase sustainable results. Next we move on to mapping out the brow shape. This is crucial as it allows you to design the desired shape and style for your client. Once your brow design is mapped out, it's time to mix your Helyx dye. Colour customization is key at this point to achieve the perfect shade for your client's unique features. For this particular model, we used a custom mix of 3 drops of hazelwood and 3 drops of honey blonde. With the application process, you want to start by applying the dye to the tail end of the brow first. This allows you to control the intensity at the tail, where most people prefer a deeper, more defined colour. Then gently work your way towards the head of the brow. As you apply the dye, gently dab it onto the skin's surface, ensuring an even distribution across the brow. Remember, you want to be as precise as possible during this stage to ensure a clean and crisp result. One of the key elements of Helyx Hybrid Dye is its ability to create a soft, natural ombre effect. To achieve this, remove the dye from the head of the brow first. This technique allows you to see the results as they develop, and also ensure that the head of the brow remains soft, while the tail retains more definition. If you feel the colour isn't quite where you want it to be, don't hesitate to reapply more layers of dye and let it process a little longer. When working with the dye, it's important to maintain clean, crisp lines throughout the process. Once you've completed the first brow, it's time to move on to the second brow and follow the exact same steps as you did with the first. After the chosen processing time has been reached, it's time to remove the dye. Start with the first brow using a dampened cotton round and gently wipe away. As you remove the product, you'll start to see the stunning results of your work. Now take a moment to shape, trim and style the first brow to perfection. This is when you can really refine and shape and define the brow further, ensuring a polished look. Once the second brow has reached the desired processing time, remove the dye as you did the first and then shape, trim and style it as well. To finish off, highlight the brow bone with a concealer or brow pencil. This simple step really enhances the look of the brows. And there you have it, the perfect application using our new Helyx Hybrid Dye. It's a simple yet a highly effective technique that will leave your clients with beautifully defined, natural looking brows. Helyx Hybrid Dye is available for purchase through a distributor near you.